This is the cake minus the piece that I took out. You can see the texture of the icing. It's the little bits that are in it. So when you chop up whatever, or you grind up, you can put it in a food processor, whatever kind of candy bars you get for Halloween. The chocolate ones, thank you, Cooper. Grind it up into whatever bits and you fold it into this icing, this ganache, whipped ganache icing. It's gonna taste like the Snickers bars and the Mars bars, the Crunch bars. Cooper's our special guest. I'm gonna introduce him again. So it's gonna be like eating a candy bar, and that's literally what this tastes like. It's like this cake candy bar thing that's amazing. I made a cake. Let's ice it. I ran out of cocoa powder, so we're gonna use chocolate. So we're gonna grind up, we're gonna lock this. Are we? We are. Are we? Yes, we are. We're gonna lock that. We're gonna grind up chocolate. This is particularly awesome to use around the holidays when you find yourself with an enormous amount of chocolate. So we're just gonna grind it all up. We'll shred it really. So we're shredding the chocolate so you get a whole bunch. Just a big bowl of it. We measure with our hearts. We're gonna get some heavy whipping cream, and you can do this with whole milk. Ganache, please don't come after me. I've done it with whole milk, works just fine. We're gonna start off with 3 tablespoons. You can hear my dog. He's old, I'm sorry. So we're gonna start off with 3 tablespoons. Maybe mix it a little bit, but ultimately, we're gonna microwave this. So we're gonna do 30 seconds at a time and stir it up until it melts. He's 10, what are you gonna do? This is how it looks after 30 seconds. I'm gonna stir it up. It's got a nice little melty part where all the cream went. Look at how great that looks. I think I'm gonna add, you see how thick that got? I think I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of heavy cream. I'm gonna heat it up for like 10 more seconds. The goal is, I don't need it super, super creamy because I'm not making like a super awesome ganache that I'm trying to win awards with. I'm just trying to melt it all together so I can whip it up in my icing because I'm out of chocolate. Thank you, Cooper. He's in the kitchen with me now. I might do 1 more tablespoon just to get it a little more smooth. So you can see it's a little, you can see the sugars coming out of that milk chocolate. You can see it's starting to shine with all the fat. Try not to eat it. About 10-15 more seconds. Right out of the microwave, you can see a lot of the grainy has gone away. I'm gonna stir it for the first time. Look at how smooth that turned out. Look at that. It's just about perfect. So now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. When we come back, we're gonna whip it up with some butter, a little bit of powdered sugar to stiffen it up, and we're gonna ice our cake. We are back and our ganache has set. And you know when your ganache is set is when it's really hard like a freaking rock. It is like a rock. It is really firm. It's like a Play-Doh, like a hard Play-Doh or a silly putty, I guess. I guess you'll see. The texture is like this. So you want it cool enough to not melt a little, because we're gonna put a little bit of butter in this, because I'm gonna whip it up. Sorry, you can still hear Cooper, which I'll introduce him at the end of the video, because he's made his own little appearance throughout the whole video apparently. Hey, Boo Boo. I know. Hey, Boo Boo. Okay, so let's get this in here and we'll whip this up. Okay, that's how it looks whipped in the bowl right there. I threw about a cup of powdered sugar in after the butter, and I'm just gonna whip that up. I added 3 cups of powdered sugar. When it started to look like this, I just did about a tablespoon more of the heavy whipping cream and stirred it up. Look at how gorgeous. It's light and chocolate, okay? Now, I've shredded about another, I think this is about 2 cups Pyrex. I'm just gonna throw in the shreds into the whipped ganache, basically buttercream icing, because I don't have any cocoa powder, remember. And I don't like just plain vanilla buttercream. I'm sorry. So we're gonna throw that in. And it's not me that doesn't like it. I have an 11-year-old that doesn't like plain buttercream either. So here we go. And here it is. It's like a whipped ganache buttercream, chunky chocolate icing. Now just imagine Halloween coming around. You've got all that candy, all that chocolate. What are you gonna do with it? You're gonna make this. You're gonna cut up all that candy, all that chocolate. You're gonna have it in a big bowl. You're gonna take the plain chocolate, you're gonna make a ganache. You're gonna whip it all up, and then you're gonna throw the chunks. Could you imagine chopped up Milky Way caramels folded into this and then spread on a cake? I'm gonna spread it on a cake, and I'm gonna show you here in a second. It's just a box yellow cake, made it just box directions. But I'm gonna show you in a second how that looks. Hang in there. Check that guy out. See all the chocolate chunks? Let's ice this cake. Okay, here it goes. Can you see the texture with all the chocolate bits? That's the thing that really makes this cake something special. I'm gonna cut it. You can see. Again, this is just a box cake mix. It's nothing exciting. But look. You can see all the little chocolate bits. It's fantastic. Do this with your Halloween candy. Amazing. Bye. This is the boop in question. Hey, Cooper. Say hello. You got a host too, Cooper. Say hello, 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 Cooper. Say